Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about solubility. What is solubility? The maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a non-quantity of a solvent at a certain temperature is its solubility. That means maximum amount of a solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of a solvent, that is a fixed quantity or certain non-quantity at a specified temperature. We call it as solubility of that solute in that particular solvent. So we discuss the solubility in that section. So how it affects the temperature and pressure in solid, liquid and gas also we discussed. Look at some other solubility of solutes in water. We are taking the solvent as 100 gram of water. So the substance, some of the substance I have written here, sucrose, that is sugar, which can be dissolved in 0 degrees Celsius is 179.2 gram. But in 20 degrees Celsius I can dissolve the same solvent, same quantity of solvent in 203.9 gram. In 60 degrees Celsius I can dissolve 287.3 gram. And in 100 degrees Celsius I can dissolve 487.2 gram. That means as the temperature increases, the solubility of the solute also increases. We discussed in the last class. In the case of a sodium chloride, it is written as NaCl. It can be dissolved 35.7 gram in 0 degrees Celsius, 35.9 gram in 20 degrees Celsius, 37.1 gram in 60 degrees Celsius and 39.2 gram in 100 degrees Celsius. So look at the sucrose and sodium chloride. It is entirely different. The solubility is entirely different. So as we discuss, the solubility increases or decreases with respect to the kind of the solute. Okay, next is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide can be dissolved in 0.89 gram in 0 degrees Celsius and 0.173 gram in 20 degrees Celsius and 0.121 gram in 60 degrees Celsius and 0.076 gram in 100 degrees Celsius. So comparing these three substances, we can note that the solubility is different from one another. So according to the solute, we are adding the solubility of the solute in a particular solvent in a fixed amount is different. So what is solubility? The maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of a solvent at a specified temperature is known as solubility. So the maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at a particular temperature. So the solubility differ from one solute to the other. So we can find out the solubility of a particular solvent if mass and solvent mass are given. So solubility can be find out if the mass of the solute and mass of the solvent is known to us. How it is expressed? It can be find out by mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So how can we find out the solubility of a particular solvent? Dividing mass of the solute by mass of the solvent into 100. So we can discuss one problem in here. So Read the question clearly along with me. 4 gram of solute are dissolved in 40 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility of the solute. Once more, 4 gram of a solute are dissolved in 40 gram of a water to form a saturated solution at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility of a solute. So we know that solubility can be found out if mass of the solute and mass of the solvent are given. We can find out solubility of a solute by if it is given the mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. What is the formula? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So let us discuss what are the given quantity in the question. Once more, 4 gram of solute are dissolved in 40 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 25 degrees Celsius. So what is 4 gram of solute? So any solute that we don't know, it is not given, but the quantity is given. So we can first of all write mass of the solute is equal to 4 gram. Then continue reading. Dissolved in 40 gram of water to form a saturated solution. So what is 40 gram of water? It is solvent. So this 4 gram is dissolved in 40 gram of water. So what is the mass of the solvent here? 40 gram. Okay, so the given quantities are mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. For our given equation, we need only mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. Already it is given. So we can straight away write the equation as solubility is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So it is given 4 divided by 40 into 100. So you know how to divide this type of equations. So the answer will be 10 gram. So hope you understood this. How to find out the mass solubility of a solute. First of all, the equation is mass of the solute is divided by mass of the solvent into 100. First, you have to write the given quantities in the question. So first of all, read the question once or twice, then identify what are the quantities given, write that quantities in separate line. Here mass of the solute and mass of the solvent are given. So first of all, identify which are the quantity given and substitute in the given equation. So here mass of the solute and mass of the solvent are given, and we have substituted the equation, the values in the equation, that is 4 divided by 40 and into 100. What we get is the specified quantity. So what it means, 10 gram means this much quantity can be dissolved in 40 gram of water at 25 degree Celsius. So the solute that can be maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 40 gram of water, that can be dissolved in 40 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 10 gram. Did you understand? 10 gram of a solute can be dissolved in 40 gram of water at 25 degree Celsius. So, hope you understood this question. First of all, find out the solute, given quantity, the solute and solvent. Then substitute in the equation, you will get the answer.